The Scottoiler xSystem comes with an easy-to-follow set of installation instructions and operating guide, a 250ml or 8.4 fluid ounce bottle of Scott oil, the xSystem reservoir unit with integrated wiring loom, which has an operating range of approximately 1,500 miles, a dispenser assembly, a spout for the Scott oil bottle, a selection of cable ties, a kit bag of components including the new dispenser mount, tube routing clips, alcohol cleaning wipes, a check valve and various mounting options, and finally some Scottoiler stickers.